and most exciting
content.
Be sure to
stay till the end of the
video to check out
our number 1
pick.
Number 10.
Gyro
Track
mulching machines.
If
you've ever needed to get rid
of a tree quickly,
then
the first entry
on our list might
just pique your
interest.
Allow us
to introduce you
to the gyro
track mulching
machines.
The
gyro track mulching
machines take
trees that would normally
require
hours of manpower
labor to remove
and
devours them in
seconds.
Forget
about cutting down
trees and dragging
them away.
This beastly
machine
saves time by
converting the wood into
mulch
directly on the
spot.
Don't have a lot
of time to get the job
done?
No problem.
Gyro track
mulching machines are
actually the
fastest mulchers
in the world.
Gyro
track mulching machines
use an innovative
planer
tooth design
to make
incredibly fine
mulch from even the
toughest trees.
What's
more,
this technology
actually weighs less
and takes less
fuel to run
than conventional
mulching machines. Whether you're a professional
landscaper with a
huge workload or just a regular Joe
who needs to
clear some trees off their
property,
there's no
denying that these
gyro track
mulching machines are the
ideal tool for
the job.
Number 9.
Manta
5
hydrofoil bikes. Enjoy spending time
on the water?
You're not the
only one.
Every year
when the summer rolls around,
millions
of Americans
head for the closest
body of water
to enjoy some
quality boating
time.
However,
the Manta
5 hydrofoil
bike
aims to introduce
an innovative
new leisure activity
to those
long weekends at the
lake house or by
the ocean. Keen cyclists
will be astounded
by this
amazing invention.
The
Manta 5 hydrofoil
bike
actually allows
you to ride
your bike on the water. That's right.
This is a bicycle
that rides
on top of
the water.
How insane is that? Manta 5
engineered the hydrofoil
bike using the
same technology
that keeps the world famous
America's
Cup sailboats
on the water. The Manta 5
hydrofoil bike
is no slouch
on those waves.
No.
You can achieve an astonishing
top speed of
up to 12
miles per hour. Not bad for a bit of pedal
power.
Thinking of picking up
a Manta 5
hydrofoil bike?
It'll set you
back a cool
$9,000. Which we honestly
don't think is too bad
for something as
innovative as this. Number 8.
Hover bike. Not content with a bike
that can float on water?
How about
one that can
fly?
The hover
bike is a
crazy new
piece of technology
from engineering and
tech company
HoverSurf.
The
hover bike is an
adrenaline junkie's
dream come
true.
It flies
up to heights of 16
feet in the air
safely,
but is
capable of going even
higher in the
hands of an experienced
rider.
Built out
of carbon fiber
for weight reduction, you'll be impressed to
find out that the hover
bike weighs just
253
pounds. While most flying
machines require
runways or
landing pads to be able
to operate,
the hover bike
has been designed with a
footprint small
enough that it can
land and take
off from a regular
parking space. As you'd expect,
this is a nippy
little beast.
It can achieve
an incredibly
rapid top speed of
up to 60
miles per hour.
In fact,
if the
hover bike wasn't
speed limited due to
legal restrictions,
it'd be
able to go even
faster than that. Number 7.
Ballast cleaning
and track renewal
machine.
You probably spent
some time traveling
on trains at
one point or another.
But
you might not be aware
of just
how much maintenance is
required to keep those
big old machines
on the rails.
The ballast
cleaning and track
renewal machine is
an important maintenance
tool for
railways across
the world.
An essential
component of the
effectiveness of ballast
is
tessellation.
The hard
edges of the rocks
essentially
interlock together. Over time, these
hard edges get
worn down
and the ballast
begins to lose effectiveness. Worst of all,
buildup of
grime and sand
and confuse
ballast together into
lumps that can be
dangerous when
present on the railway. By cleaning the ballast
and replacing
any overly worn
rocks,
the ballast
cleaning and track renewal
machine ensures
that the railway
can continue to operate
safely.
What's even more
impressive
is that this
colossal
machine is actually
capable of
renewing the railway
tracks as well
as maintaining the
ballast.
Old and
potentially dangerous
tracks are removed
and subsequently
replaced
all by
one machine.
Number 6. Case IH
Advanced
Farming Systems.
When you go
to the grocery store
to buy fruit,
vegetables, and other produce,
you might
be forgiven for
not thinking about the
process required to
produce them.
However,
if
you're interested in
discovering the tools
that modern
farmers use,
you may be
impressed by the Case
IH
Advanced Farming
System. Analytics and data are becoming
more and
more important in
gaining an edge over the
competition in modern
business.
Farming
is no different
than any other line
of work in this respect.
That's
why the Case
IH
Advanced Farming Systems
allows you
to keep track of
your fleet of farm
vehicles all
in real time. Forget about wasting
time and money
by using
machinery and
resources inefficiently.
efficiently.
The Case
IH Advanced
Farming Systems
saves money
by implementing
automatic
guidance systems.
This
System is so
precise,
it's able to plant seeds
it's down to an
inch of accuracy.
accuracy.
Full
Touchscreen operation
allows you the
ultimate level of
control over machinery.
machinery.
What's more,
You can even
retrofit the Case
IH Advanced
Farming System to an
existing
older tractor if
you
you
need to.
The Case
IH Advanced Farming
System keeps track
of everything
your workers do
and is able
to
to
collate
all
all
that information,
into advanced heat
maps, and
even send you
charts and reports. Number 5,
pick right
debris
collector. Disposing of
masses of trash
or fallen leaves
can be an
incredible headache,
even
even if you have access to
workmen and industrial
industrial equipment. The pick right debris
debris collector aims
to change all of
that with an innovative
new approach.
to cleaning up.
Pick right debris
Debris collector is
essentially acts as a
gigantic vacuum.
cleaner.
It sucks
Sucks up everything
that
that
comes into its path,
and leaves the
streets and sidewalks
sidewalks of your neighborhood
looking clean and
and fresh.
especially designed
Triple axis
axis boom
allows the
suction pipe
precision control
over
over.
where it goes.
No need
For a man on the ground
to
to
manhandle the pipe.
around here,
The pick right debris
debris collector needs just
is a single
operator to go about its
daily business.
no matter
How big the mess,
the pick
pick right debris collector
is capable of
dealing with it.
In fact,
This
monstrous vacuum
can hold up to
19 cubic
yards of trash.
or other debris.
There's
Even a built-in
trash compactor
to
to
ensure that the pick
right crams
is in the maximum
load. Number 4,
railroad
track loader. Going back to trains for
for a minute.
we'd like to introduce you
To
to
our next amazing,
the machine.
the railroad
Road track loader
is an incredible
incredibly versatile piece
piece of construction
machinery
and to
designed
get the hard work
of railroad maintenance
maintenance done in
no time at all. Heavy lifting
is what the
road
railroad
track loader is all.
all about.
This
Brutish machine
machine can flex
its muscles
and lift up to
11.3
tons of weight.
weight.
Crossing train tracks
Tracks is usually
is pretty difficult for
anything that
a
isn't.
train.
That's why the
The
railroad
road track loader has been
been specially designed
designed to actually
to run
run
along those tracks
tracks in the same way a
train
train.
does.
When the terrain gets tough,
This all
awesome vehicle
can
can
rely on its giant
giant tracks
to make some headway. As you'd expect from
from a beastly
a piece of machinery like
like this.
the railroad track loader,
Loader is no
lightweight,
It clocks in
at a scale shattering
shattering 40.
40 tons.
It doesn't
Just lift though.
the railroad track
Track loader can be fitted
with different attachments
meant to do various
to other jobs.
everything
Everything from giant
drills to digger
buckets are able to
be
be
installed on this
truly versatile.
machine.
Number 3,
Kuka
Kuka Omni Move. Moving incredibly
incredibly large and super
super heavy objects
around has long
long been the preserve
of big trucks.
with bigger trailers. The Kuka Omni
Move is about to
change all of that.
and shake up
Several industries
in the process. The Kuka Omni Move
Move is an autonomous
this movement platform.
platform.
It's like the trailer
Of
of
a semi-truck
that can move around by itself.
itself.
There's no need
For
for
a vehicle to pull
it,
it,
and it doesn't
doesn't have a driver.
the power
Power supply is fully
self-contained,
too,
making
making
this a true
it autonomous
vehicle.
designed
For use in industries
that have to transport
huge payloads,
loads, such as
aviation and
construction.
the Kuka Omni
Omni-Move is capable
of carrying objects
up to a staggering
90
tons and up
to
to
30 meters.
meters in length. Using Kuka
Navigation solution.
technology,
The Omni
Move is capable of
navigating by itself.
itself.
Unlike
The
other,
robots,
it doesn't need
floor markings for guidance.
guidance. A
Highly sophisticated
sensor array
array helps keep
this
this
machine out of
trouble and
away
away
from potential
from
collisions.
collisions.
In high pressure
Pressure situations where
payloads can be worth
millions of
dollars.
precision is of
The utmost.
importance.
That's why
Why the Kuka Omni
it
Move
is capable of
of delicate load
transferal
with accuracy down
down to just 3
3 millimeters.
meters.
Number 2,
Road zipper.
whenever
Whenever there's construction work
required on the motor,
underway,
there
there's
needs to be a
considerable amount
of
of
attention paid to
safety.
motorists and
Road
road
workers alike
need
need
to be protected against
accidents and
injuries.
the road zipper
Is an
ingenious machine
machine designed to
rapidly lay down
collision-resistant
barriers that protect
protect against impact.
from vehicles.
If you've
Ever wondered how they put
put down those barriers
barriers that segment off
lanes on the highway,
you're about
about to have your
mind blown.
the roads
Zipper works by
deploying sections of
specially designed
barriers
to
into
new locations. It can move these barriers
barrier sections up to
9 meters
at a time.
allowing incredible
Incredible flexibility.
for workers.
The
Specially designed barriers
that the road zipper
deploys
are able to
on
withstand
high-speed
impacts from all
kinds of vehicles,
even
even heavy bruisers
like trucks
and
and
buses.
thanks to the
Innovative safety technology,
technology,
people or cars,
cars on the other side of
the barrier will be
totally safe
in
and
most cases.
The road
zipper has been used in
applications across
many well-known,
locations,
even
incredibly busy
ones, such
as
as
the Golden Gate
Bridge in San Francisco.
Bridge.
Number 1.
Autonomous
Autonomous electric.
tractor.
Everyone
Who's ever had any
interest in farming
knows the name John.
John Deere.
This iconic
Iconic tractor
manufacturer has been producing
farm machinery
since 18.
1937.
That's
Almost 200
years of farming.
heritage.
Now,
John Deere
Deere are moving
straight into the future
with their latest invention,
invention,
the autonomous
electric tractor.
For
The
the
longest time,
it was a huge
task to deal with
the incredible
the amount of emissions
produced by farm vehicles. These huge
huge machines,
needed huge
engines,
and ended up putting up
huge amounts.
of pollution.
The
The autonomous electric
electric tractor
uses a pure
purely electric
motor and
produces zero.
emissions.
That might just make
Make this the most
eco-friendly tractor
tractor on the planet. John Deere considered
options for all different
different classes of use
with the autonomous.
electric tractor.
You can have it fitted
Did with traditional
tires
or go for a rough
ground upgrade and
have tracks installed.
installed instead.
Regular
Their tractors are
huge and bulky.
but
The
the
autonomous electric
tractor takes up just
a fraction of
the space,
while still delivering
bring the same results. Sophisticated
AI technologies.
technologies allow the autonomous
Autonomous electric tractor
to self-direct
direct and function
in a truly
autonomous fashion.
fashion.
Regardless of where the future,
Future takes us
we think
that this machine,
has a place in
that brave new,
new tomorrow.
and that's
Most amazing
amazing machines you
didn't know existed.